taken us ages to find this, and I wanted to find this because I found this. It's a non-working PlayStation controller, so we're going to plug it into the PC, the USB port, and we'll bring up the window for it, which is there, and it doesn't do anything. There's no LED on. It's very grotty. It's just filthy. It's just awful. But we're going to open it up. I want to see what's gone wrong with it. Let's see if we can get some signs of life out of it. Alright. It looks like there might be some damage to this cable here, but that's not going to stop it from turning on. There's two small screws just here. Right, what we got. Is that corrosion? Some corrosion, or is that glue? Let's have a look underneath the microscope. Is the microscope going to play nicely? No, it's not. Okay, right, so with the controller open, and with the help of this picture from the Curious Inventor, I can see that this third pin in, the grey pin, the grey lead, goes to the first pad here. If I test that, I don't have continuity. I had continuity a minute ago. Have I got this the right way up? I've got it the wrong way up. I should have it this way up. So this third pin in, the third pin in, which is the grey wire, third pin. You had continuity a minute ago. What's wrong with you? I think it's a case of a broken wire. My continuity is not working. Let's have a look. No, work. Come on. Continuity is not working. I'm starting to regret buying this meter. Off, on. It's no good having a multimeter that can't even do continuity. See? Not working. What's wrong with you, man? Why aren't you beeping, man? Come on. Okay. Right. The grey wire is the third pin along on the connector, and it comes to this first pad. Yes, continuity. The ground wire, the black wire, is the fourth pin in, and it comes to the second pad, and I have no continuity on there. And the fourth wire is the red one. That's the middle pin on the connector, and that comes to this one. I've got grey, black and red, so red's the third one, and no continuity. continuity is working. So I think it's just a case of a damaged cable. Now I've tried to check the LED in diode mode, but it's not lighting up. I've got 0.7 one way, 0.7 one way, and what is? There you go. The LED is lighting up. Stupid multimeter. So I suspect there's a break in the wire. Most likely I would think it's going to be around here. So if I shorten this and resolder those wires on, I might be able to get this working again. Get rid of that image. I don't need that. So I just need to make a note of which wires go where. Snip them off and then separate them out. That's the easiest way to do it. Blue, brown, orange, green, yellow, red, black and grey. Right. Soldering iron. It's been so long I don't even know where all my stuff is. Am I still recording? Yes I am. There's some kind of glue on here for some reason. Has somebody tried to fix this before? Is that factory? That's strange, isn't it? Underneath the glue. I've got some Kingbo flux, which is surprisingly white for some reason. I hope it's... That says Kingbo 218. I've never seen it that colour before. Possibly fake. Let's see if it does the job though. Whew. Hang on, turn me fan on. That's terrible. I don't think that's Kingbo. What have I ended up buying? What have I got? Kingbo, but it's white. I've got some more in a tub somewhere. Yeah, look, I bought a load from AliExpress. Oh dear. Never mind. Hot glue on there. Right, so that's the kink in the controller. And it's going to come out of the controller, so we'll shorten it to about there. We could actually pull that off and then test it for continuity before I go and solder everything back up. That would be a good idea. How much do I need? I need that plus whatever I've cut off. Right, there we go. So let's check this ground. Just enough. And if I go back to my picture, ground is the 4th pin along. And to connect that. Right. Continuity's working. 4th pin along. Jam that in there. And then ground. And I'm not getting continuity. I cannot see anything wrong with this cable. There's a chance it's broken here. But I'm going to be quite destructive, I think, getting that open. Double check my image again. I'm assuming this image is correct. 4th pin in. 5th pin in's red. Let's pull some of this red off. No. Still not getting any continuity. So there isn't a break on this end. So I'm assuming there's a break on this end. Can it be? Come on. I'm going to try a different wire. Let's try that green one, which is at the far end. The green one, which was at the far end, is this one. No continuity. I've still got no continuity on these cables. Well, where's the break? Don't really want to pry this open, but I don't see what else I can do. It's all nicely glued in. I never get the easy ones. Not a screw underneath there, is there? I don't think I can feel a screw. But no. These cables must be the same for the PlayStation 2 and 1 controllers. I'm wondering if I've got to play another PlayStation lead I can try. Right, I've watched it. I've seen someone wedge a screwdriver in there. I don't think this one's any good. This one's no good. I'll have to find a different one. I might be able to use this. What else does he do? That might reach. It's a little bit big. No. Find a screwdriver. Find a screwdriver. Right, try this. I've snapped the plastic shrouding off this tester so I can get it all the way in. And then I think he said press down on the video that I've just watched. It is opening up. I heard a crack. Have I broke it? Try the bottom one. See if I can get in there. I'm in. Nearly in. It clips back into place, so I think I've got to do the bottom the same way. Bottom's not coming. No, I'm losing patience. You get the bottom off, and the top's clipped back into place. Oh, yeah, we'll go. Awful, but it's off. This could be pointless if I can't work out where the break is. So if I come back to black again, which is there, no continuity. No continuity. Let's try in there for green, and then green. Yeah. Try the red one. Red to red. Nothing. So I can't really get these pins out. If I put red in there, yeah, there's a break in this cable somewhere. I was hoping it was going to be at the controller end, but it doesn't seem to be. So what's my next option? I think I'm going to have to give up with this one. I'll end up cutting so many pieces off the wire, it'll not be worth having a cable on. No, kind of think there's. I need a new cable for this. or I just put in this will go in a bag in a box, be kept for spares. If I can get a new cable, it's worthwhile trying it. But I'm not prepared to go chopping more and more lengths off this just for the sake of fixing it on a video. So I'm going to leave it at that. What would you do? Let us know in the comment section. Another no fix. And I'll see you in the next one.